Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to another class. In today's cybersecurity analyst course, we're looking at Linux command line, the part 2 of it. In the first class, we're able to get you into introduction of what Linux command line is and then how to interact with the shell, giving it basic commands. So we started with the basic commands like echo command, how to echo out stuff, and then we're able to do lists and just very basic things. Today, we'll also continue and we're looking at how to create a directory. So you'll be hearing the word directory a lot in cybersecurity, and it's just a very simple basic word for folder. So when it comes to Linux, we talk about directory a lot. It's all about folder, just a folder in the Linux terminology. Folder is a directory. So today we're looking at how to create a directory. Then to create a directory, we use the command mkdir make directory, give a space. Then you write the name of the directory you want to make. So let me say my directory name is cyber security. That's the directory, cyber security. Then I press enter. So if it is correct, one thing that will happen is it won't bring out any error. So I tried to zoom my screen today so that it can be easier for you to see. I discovered that in the last class it wasn't easy, so let me still zoom it more. It wasn't easy for you to see, so I tried to zoom my screen so I can easily see. But what I advise is always follow the class exactly. Follow me and type as I'm talking. That's the best way to learn. Don't watch then try to practice. Do it as I'm doing it. Then once you practice, you can go back and watch and re-practice. You need to practice like 4 to 5 times. So make directory mkdir is the word for make directory. So I've made directory cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is already a directory there. Now you can be able to create a list. Let's show a list of what I have. I've created this directory now. So let me put it's not a create list now. List is ls, press enter. So it's giving me a list of things I've created here. I created cybersecurity, can you see it here? I've created file2.txt, I've created this, I've created my directory, I've created all of these things I've created before has been saved there, and that's why I have it here. File 1, file 2, file 3, HTTP server. I've saved all this, I've worked on this before. So and you can see this cybersecurity I created now is as created as a folder. So this is a list of all the things I've created. List is ls for list. So it shows the content of your current working directory. There's another one you can use, that is ls, then leave a space, then put an hyphen, then small letter l, is lowercase l. So this option provides a long format listing. You see additional details like file permission and everything. Remember that anytime you are working with Linux commands, when you write the command, like I've written here, you have to leave a space for the next argument. So you can see here, this is a long command. Djtconcept data fields created on April 10, that's today. I created this on April 8, I created this on April 8. So it's giving me a very basic details of all I've created, the files and their longer details. That's what list and small letter L is for, longer details. Then there's another one, list ls, then leave a space, then hyphen and small letter a. This one is to show all the files, including hidden files and everything that has been created. Press enter. So it's showing all of the files, including hidden files. So this is a normal file, these are files, these are files. Then hidden files are also added. It's created. Yes, remember that in the last class we did this dot hidden file. Who remembers? Dot hidden file. This is also here. I said if you want to create an hidden file in cybersecurity or in Linux rather, all you need to do is press dot hidden file. So we created a hidden file. You can see all of the files we created, including hidden files. That's why you use list and small letter a hyphen. There's another one, list ls and small letter L and A. This one will combine the long formats with and showing all the files all together. So you can see, yeah, long format, the long format with all of the files we have created. Can you see this? All of the files are created in a very long format. That is what we have at list and then L small letter A. Okay, then if we want to do another one, we can, the file we created was cybersecurity now. So you can say list, we have cybersecurity, we have test directory, list, leave space, then small letter L. This will list all the content, small letter L, then the cybersecurity to list all of the content of cybersecurity. But so you can see it here, I don't have any content in cybersecurity. I don't have any content in cybersecurity. That's why it's writing 0. But if there's any file of I have content, maybe there's any direction I have content to show it. Like now, let me use list, small letter L, small letter I think I have test directory. I think I have it here. Oh, cannot access. I don't have test directory. What do I have? Is it my directory? File 3 hidden file, my directory, sorry, my directory. Okay, so we have list, small L, then space, my directory. Press enter. I don't have anything there. Learn how to copy file. Learn how to copy file. Learn how to copy file. So copy file, how do you copy file? Use the word cp to copy file. Cp, then I have a file here called file1.txt or file1.txt. Remember, we are writing in plain text, so it's only saved, our files are saved with .txt. Leave a space, then let me call this one file underscore linux.txt and press enter. So you can see that there's no error here. What has happened here is that it has created a copy of file.txt inside this file linux.txt. So inside this file linux.txt, it has copied what we have in file.txt and transferred it to this place. So that's how you copy. You do what cp to copy from here file1.txt to here file underscore linux.txt. That's how you copy. So another thing is, so in this file.txt now, because this is a directory, it doesn't want me to copy directly into the directory. So what I will do is I will echo and copy inside this file. I'll say echo Linux files. Let me put it inside file underscore linux.txt. I believe if you have anything, you are just talk. So inside this file underscore linux.txt, you should be able to have this word Linux files also is there. So that's how you copy files and create files. Okay. Then you want to copy a file to a directory. How do you copy a file to a directory? This copies the file into a directory. What you need to do is you use the word cp, copy, you copy the file. What file do you want to copy? File2.txt. You are copying this file inside my directory. My directory. Then press enter. You can see that that is correct. This is the little we take today so that you don't get into conflict. In the next class, we'll start looking at how to move and rename